new Aer Cable Kit 2. I think this might be my new favorite travel accessory. Okay, so I'm a huge organization freak when it comes to traveling and with all of my tech stuff. I'm always using different packing solutions like this, from like the smaller little everyday ones I throw in my bag to the crush proof, waterproof Pelican type cases. You know, I keep my camera and lenses in these low pro cubes that are nice and organized in my bag. And I even got this Thol, I forget what the name of this is, but I thought this was going to be my go-to solution for storing all of my stuff, because this is designed to really store headphones. The only problem is once you put headphones in here, you can't really fit much else, and there's no room for expansion really at all. So when I just saw the Aer Cable Kit 2 become available, I instantly ordered one, and I am extremely happy that I did. It's smaller than the Thol, it can fit more, and has a lot better organization and optimization. So I'm going to show you exactly how much stuff I can really fit in this and have it still nice and compact compared to what I was using with the Thol. So let's check out what I have in here. Okay, so here we go. The brand new Cable Kit 2 from Aer. You know, this thing is nice and sleek on the one side. It's not going to get stuck into anything, and it has this really hardcore Fedora on the other side. I don't know what the number is. You guys can look online and figure it out. But it's divided into two main zip sections with a third little smaller compartment in the back. But as far as the up front goes, you know, right now there's this elastic pocket here where I have a ton of cables and adapters that I can fit in there easily. There's a little pen loop here. There's a nice zippered compartment where I have all of my adapters, earplugs, you know, all of my dongles for my Macs. I can keep everything organized in there. Card readers, SD cards, everything like that. There's a couple loops here to store some additional cables, but I've actually been using it to store my PGY Tech mobile tripod, my little mini one that I'm actually using right now to film this. There's two pockets here where, you know, I can easily fit. This is a SanDisk 1 terabyte drive. Fits right in there perfectly with the cable. I can fit another drive in here if I need to. There's a zippered pocket here where I have right now an ND filter for Osmo Action wrapped up in a cloth, but I keep some other ND filters in here for my Osmo Pocket. So I have those all nice and stored away, and this pocket in here is nice and fleece lined, so it's great for keeping, you know, a phone, anything that's, you know, you want to make sure it's not going to get scratched. Coming over to the other side now, this is a really nice open pocket with a couple internal stretch pockets where I actually have some DJI Osmo Pocket mounts. I have my Osmo Action or Osmo Pocket in this side, Osmo Action in the PGY Tech cage in this other pocket. I have all of the various attachments that go to the Osmo Pocket, as well as extra batteries and cases, all in here with plenty of extra room, so space is not an issue. It's not even anywhere close to being packed out. And in this back pocket here, I have just a small power bank with the charging cable that I keep in here, but I can definitely fit a bigger one in here. For the size of this thing, the sleekness, I'm in shock at how much stuff I can actually fit in here. It's way more than this Thol option, which, you know, I thought was gonna be my one solution for everything. But the problem is, if I put a pair of headphones in here, all of a sudden that takes up like all the storage. And this was kind of designed for you to like put your headphones in here. There's even like a little headphone loop. But the way these pockets are constructed, they're not deep. Like these top pockets, one, they only go to here, so like, you know, 3/4 of my finger length down. Then they're sewed down the middle, and then you can't really pull it out. This pocket has a nice, you know, stretchy and it's netted, but again, if your headphones are in here, you can't really fit anything else in there. there's some nice cable options over here, but once you have a couple things in here and headphones, this thing gets super bulky super quick, where this on the other hand can expand on both sides, and it can definitely fit a lot more in here comfortably. And like I said, I mean, I just went through everything that I have in here, and it's nowhere near packed out right now. I can probably fit a lot more in here. Just still trying to figure out the best way to organize it. Like this pocket's completely empty. I could fit, either another SanDisk drive in here, a bigger drive, a power bank. I can put more cables in there, attachments for cameras, GoPros, even though some like ND filters for my mirrorless camera in here. But so far, I've only had it a few days, but this is by far, out of all the packs that I have for organization for wires and cables and tech accessories, this is my number one so far. It's $50. It's definitely a little bit more than some of the other options. I think this stool was 25 or 30, if I'm not mistaken. But this is hands down. I mean, the look of it, the feel of it, the quality, the sturdiness. The only thing that's a little bit annoying are the zippers, and not the zipper qualities. All these dangly tags on or handles on the zippers. I understand, that I'm trying to make it easier to pull, but it's something I might take off because this is just a little overkill, I think. It's like a Bon Jovi circa 1980 jacket for the most part. But I highly recommend it. Definitely check it out. I think they're just in stock now on the Aer site, so highly recommend it. It's definitely my new favorite go-to travel organizer. Thanks for checking it out. See ya.